Hey folks, it's Russ Vi. Today is Friday, November 8th, 2024. I hope you're having a great day. I just wanted to shoot a quick video and talk to you about American Bill Money. This is a program that I joined back in April of this year, and I've been receiving checks in the mail continuously since that time. In fact, I got one just yesterday. You can see it right here. American Bill Money. This was mailed out on November 4th. And it's just a great opportunity. It's a direct mail opportunity. So again, if you can mail a postcard, you can make this opportunity work, okay? It's a company that has been around since 2003. It has an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau, and it has a really cool compensation plan. So the key is just to stay consistent with whatever ways you market it, okay? Now, you can come in here and just mail out postcards. We do have flyers. We have drop cards. There's a whole bunch of different ways that you can share this opportunity offline. But if you're like me, or if you know me, you know that I like to do both offline marketing and online marketing, all right? That's where you get the most eyeballs on your business opportunity, right? So what I do is I mail out postcards, and I also share this online, all right? I make YouTube videos. I share it on social media. Basically, I just use Facebook and YouTube for social media platforms, and I have checks coming in regularly, all right? I don't always show when a check comes in or do videos when a check comes in, but the checks are coming in regularly. I'm building a nice monthly residual income with this opportunity, and you can get started for $50, all right? With that $50, you're gonna get a marketing kit. You're gonna get 50 peel and stick address labels. You're gonna get everything you need to get started, and all you have to do is stay consistent with whatever marketing methods that you're using, all right? So if you're mailing out 100 postcards a month, stay consistent mailing 100 postcards out a month. If you're making a YouTube video every week, make sure you do one every week. And that's the name of the game, all right? That's the people that win and have the most success with direct mail or any opportunity are those who stay consistent. But this is a great opportunity. Like I said, it's been around since 2003. So 21 years, almost 22 years in business now. And it's not going anywhere. You can look it up online. You can call the owner and speak with him directly. He'll answer any questions you have. I'm going to leave a link down below this video where you can get more information about this opportunity. It's just a great opportunity, all right? And like I said, moving forward into 2025, my main focus is going to be direct mail postcard opportunities because they're just so simple to do. You don't have to worry about building teams or any of the headaches that come with trying to grow an MLM company. This is just super simple to do. So I'll leave a link down below. If you have any questions about any of this, reach out to me. I'm here to help you out. But again, here is a check. I haven't even opened this yet, but you can see right up here, it's from American Bill Money. It was mailed out on November 4th, and I get these checks in the mail quite regularly. So if you can take a postcard, take a peel and stick address label and a stamp and affix it to it, and then take it down to your post office, you can make this opportunity work. There's no easier way, in my opinion, that I've come across yet, and I've been doing this for 16 plus years now, full-time since 2018. I've never seen anything easier than mailing out postcards. Direct mail has been around for a long time, and in my opinion, it's making a comeback. All right, because people are tired of getting emails in their inbox, spam emails, and garbage emails, and all that stuff. And you know that when you send out a postcard, 90% of the time it's going to be seen by the person you're sending it to. All right, and that 10% of the time where it doesn't get seen, it's because the person is either moved or the postcard gets lost in the mail. All right, so I mean, when you send out postcards, they get delivered. All right, occasionally, once in a while, you'll lose one in the mail, but people are actually, when they get a postcard in the mail, they're going to look at it. Now, they might throw it away immediately because they're not interested in earning extra income from home, but the majority of people will look at it. I know a lot of times I get postcards for different opportunities. I'll put them on my desk and I'll revisit them in a month or 2 or 3 or who knows when. But I've had people join me in this opportunity from postcards I sent out months ago, and they're just joining now. So it's just like planting a tree. You know, you mail out the postcards, which are like planting the seeds, and then over time, people are going to start joining you in this opportunity. All right. So again, I'll leave a link down below this video, and you can check it out and reach out to me with any questions. So I hope you have a great rest of your day. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. So until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.